We have got 10 fabrics. We have got, they're $10, and I'm going to try to show them to you the best I can, because it's a lot, but it's awesome. So for 2 days, today, Labor Day, I'm going to start with these fabrics. Okay, so I'm going to start with this group of 4, and these are a group of viscose. They're viscose rayons, and they are really beautiful. They're somewhat reversible, but this one, they're great for jackets. Jackets really is the role of these first ones. This is a tone on tone. It's woven in, the texture's woven in. I know it's going to be hard to see because these are black. These are great basics, and for $10, man, you're going to, I think, be really happy. Okay, so this is a tone on tone. This is a black. This is the black. So the pattern on most of these is the same. This is a gold. There is only, I'm going to move this out of the way real quick. There's only one side that is usable. You could use both sides. I actually did use both sides. But typically the one side is meant to be used. So this is a gold. And what it is, it's a gold on black. And it's a tiny little dot that comes through because the thread is on the wrong side. It's a metallic thread. It's 100% viscose. The metallic thread is burning poly, but the fabric itself is a viscose. And then I'm hoping that you can see that, the print. And then these two are both silver. I use these, I made a jacket. So they're silver on black. And they're both, they're beautiful. The fabric is lightweight, and it's not stiff, but it doesn't have drape. So that's why I say you want to do a jacket. You want to do something, or something that has direction. Okay, and this next one is also silver. One is dots and one is circles. This is dots and this one is circles. Okay? And then we go into this one. This one is black, and it's a tone-on-tone texture, and it's almost like a leopard. It's really, really pretty. And again, I'm afraid you can't see that. But it's a twill. It's a diagonal twill. This is a cotton poly. And again, great for jacket. I think they're a little bit too lightweight to do pants. Depends on how you like your pants. I put this one in the middle just to break up all the black. This is a reversible red-black jacquard. This is a cotton poly, but you can see that's clearly reversible. Jacquards are meant to be reversed. Okay, and I'm going to come over here just to make sure I don't get in the way. This is very lightweight. This is a cotton poly. Like beautiful, really beautiful. Great drape on this one. And it's a texture. Kind of like a seersucker, but not. And again, $10 a yard for these, you guys. All right, actually $9.99. This is 100% cotton, so a little bit heavier now. Great weight for pants or jacket. This would be great for pants. It is a stretch woven, 100% cotton. This one here is 100% viscose. It's linear. I'm hoping you can see. If I hold that still, there's a little linear pattern to that. It is a woven. It has a little bit of stretch in one direction, but basically a woven. And again, 100% viscose. Then this last one of the 10 is got great drape. It's 100% viscose, great drape. It'd be great for, this is a stretch woven, and it has a lot of stretch. So you could use this for yoga pants. You could do a lot with this. This is really, really pretty. 100% viscose, stretch woven, and great drape. All right, so those are 10 for 10. And the goal is happy sewing and happy Labor Day.